choice I am asking. The Indian Constitution guarantees the right to education for all children between the ages of dash years. 8 to 14, 6 to 12, 6 to 14, 8 to 12.
6 to 14.
Ma'am,
6 to 14.
6 to 14. 6 to 14.
There is a shortage in supply and there are inequalities in distribution of water in the country. This is due to people belong to different caste, rich and poor differences, people belong to different religions, people belong to different political parties. यहाँ रिच एंड पुअर डिफरेंसेस दिए हुए हैं. नेक्स्ट, पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज रिलेट टू आवर बेसिक नीड्स एंड द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन recognizes the right to water, health, education, etc. as being a part of the right to freedom, right to life, right to choose, cultural rights.
Right to life.
Right to life.
To life.
नेक्स्ट है, कुछ बताते हैं, एक सेकेंड. पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज, नहीं सॉरी ये तो पूछ चुकी. हाँ, what did the government of Tamil Nadu do to improve water supply in Chennai? Insisted on harvesting rainwater, used the services of private companies for transporting and distributing water. Government water supply department decides the rate for water tankers. Government of Tamil Nadu adopted all the above measures. मैं जानती हूँ आपके बुक में ये नहीं है, बट चूंकि हमारा ही ये
मैम डी.
D.
हाँ
मैम डी, ऑप्शन डी
लग रहा है.
ऑल द अबव.
हाँ. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है, which of the following is correct when responsibility for water supply was handed over to private companies? Rise in the price of water, making it unaffordable for many people, cities will have. एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ, एक सेकेंड हो गया. हाँ, cities will have huge protest, all the above. ये क्वेश्चन आप लोग थोड़ा नोट कर लीजिए. Which of the following is correct when responsibility for water supply was handed over to private companies? आनंद मैम नहीं है?
मैम अभी है मैम, नेटवर्क
मैम
प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
ऑल द अबव.
हाँ आनंद,
क्वेश्चन बोलिए ना.
मिनट वो पढ़ता है, मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Which of the following is correct when responsibility for water supply was handed over to private companies? Rise in the price of water, making it affordable for many people, cities will have huge protest, all the above.
Ma'am, option B.
अफोर्डेबल
Option B.
ओके चलो ये लिख लिए हो तो ये वाला एक बार चेक कर लेना. One of the most important function of the dash is to ensure that these public facilities are made available to everyone. One of the most important functions of the dash is to ensure that these public facilities are made available to everyone. Digging
Ma'am, judiciary. Executive.
private organization, government, common people, none of the above.
Government.
Government.
बिना सुने जुडिशियरी क्या हुआ ठीक ना गवर्नमेंट. What does the government get? Where does the government get money for public facilities? Foreign countries, people's savings, taxes collected from the people, donations.
Taxes collected from the
people.
Yes, yes. Why the supply of electricity to a village is called a public facility. फिर बोल देती हूँ why the supply of electricity to a village is called a public facility. Farmers can run pump set to irrigate their fields. Primitive people can open small workshops that run on electricity. Students will find it easier to study all of these.
All of these.
ठीक है चलो. What do you understand by public facility? क्या बोली? What do you understand by public facility? Some facility is provided. Its benefit cannot be shared by many people. Next, some facility is provided. Its benefit can be shared by many people. Some facility is provided only to the rich. None of the above.
Option B.
Ma'am, option B.
Some facility
It is provided.
Ma'am, B.
its benefit can be shared by many people. Okay. अब बोलो. The Constitution of India recognizes the right to water as being a part of the right to life under Article 24, Article 21, Article 25, Article 22A.
Article 21.
Article 21.
Article 21.
Next,
Article 21.
safe drinking water is essential. Safe drinking water is essential for luxurious life, to show people's economic status, to prevent many water-related diseases, none of the above.
C. To prevent
Ma'am, option C.
to prevent many what?
Related diseases. Very good. State the major reason why. ये भी लगता है उस एनसीईआरटी बुक में होगा, फिर भी पूछ देती हूँ. लेकिन ये हम लोग से रिलेटेड नहीं है. लिखा हुआ स्टेट द मेजर रीजन व्हाई शिवा कुड नॉट ब्रिंग हिज फैमिली टू मडीपक्कम इन चेन्नई. He could not get a house for rent. He has old parents to take care in his hometown. Both A and B shortage of water. ये कोई स्टोरी दी हुई होगी, उसमें से क्वेश्चन है, इसको हम छोड़ देते हैं. आपको स्टोरी पता नहीं तो आप बताओगे कैसे. चलो अब हम लोग चलते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 18 में. जल्दी से बता दो, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय यूनियन लिस्ट, how many subjects are there, and who made law on the subjects on it. बताइए.
Ma'am, there are 97 subjects in union list.
There are 97 subjects in the union list. The parliament has the exclusive power to legislate on them. Some of the subjects in the union list are defense, foreign affairs, war, and railways, post office, etc.
Okay. And Visha बोलो. And Visha.
Ma'am, there are 97 subjects in union list, and they. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are 97 subjects in union list, and they.
Maybe there is network problem. Any other?
There are 97 subjects in the union list, and only the parliament has the executive power to make laws on the subjects mentioned in the union list. The subjects are defense, foreign affairs, war, peace, etc.
Okay. Who will say that? What do you mean by residuary subjects?
The subjects which arise with the passage of time and are not mentioned in union list, state list, and concurrent list are called residuary subjects. The parliament has the exclusive right to legislate on residuary subjects.
Okay. चलो और बोलो. Any other?
Subjects which are not included in the union list, state list, and the concurrent list, if any such matter arises with the passage of time, then the parliament has the power to legislate on them, and those subjects comes under the residuary subjects. For example, computer, software, and hardware.
Okay. What do you mean by universal adult franchisee?
Under universal adult franchisee, the citizens of India who are 18 years or above are entitled to vote in the elections without any discrimination on the basis of sex, color, caste, creed, or place of birth.
Okay. Any other?
Universal adult franchisee means that every citizen of India who is 18 years or above is entitled to vote in the elections without any discrimination of caste, color, class, gender, or religion. It is called universal adult franchisee, and it enables all citizens to be involved in the governance of the country.
Very good. Name the upper.
Ma'am, please repeat it.
Rajya Sabha,
Lower house.
Lok Sabha,
Lok Sabha,
Lok Sabha.
Name by reservation.
Ma'am, ma'am, during elections, there is a reserved constituency for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes from where the voters choose their representative. The reservation in the legislature was provided to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes to ensure their growth and to bring them into the mainstream.
You have said only one aspect. Any other who will make us understand the wider meaning of reservation?
Reservation means providing more opportunities for the weaker sections of the society, like the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes,
Yes.
to uplift them and to make them come out of their backwardness.
Okay. For the upliftment of those people. And तुमने भी सिर्फ शेड्यूल का शेड्यूल ट्राइब कहा है, जबकि सृजा ने कहा
वुमेन भी इंक्लूड होगा.
हाँ बेटा क्या?
Other backward classes.
Yes.
Other backward classes.
और
मैम रिजर्वेशन में
Women.
वुमेन इंक्लूडेड होते
For
हैं.
women.
सीट्स आर
Reservation.
फॉर वुमेन ऑल्सो, है ना? हर कोई कुछ कुछ छोड़ते जा रहे हैं. मतलब कि हम लोग को अगर हम ऐसे पूछे हैं वाइडर मीनिंग, तो आपको सब कुछ लेकर चलना है. ठीक है, बस रिवीजन करवा रही हूँ. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको नहीं आता है, आता है, बट क्या पूछने पर क्या क्या लिखोगे सो मैं समझा रही हूँ. अच्छा बताओ, पावर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ स्पीकर. कोई और
On the speaker.
The speaker presides over the meeting.
The
बोलो ना.
speaker presides over the meeting of Lok Sabha. In his or her absence, the house is chaired by the deputy speaker. Second, the speaker, all the petitions and documents addressed to the Lok Sabha are received by the speaker. The speaker maintains discipline and decorum in the house. If the situation demands, the speaker can adjourn the house. During the joint session of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, it is the Lok Sabha speaker who presides over it.
और बोलो.
The
The
speaker
speaker
presides
presides over the meetings of the Lok Sabha. In his or her absence, a deputy speaker does the work of the speaker of the Lok Sabha. He or she maintains decorum and discipline in the house. All the documents addressed to the house are received by the speaker. It is the Lok Sabha speaker who presides over the joint session meetings of both the houses of the parliament.
आनंद बोलो.
The speaker presides over the meetings of Lok Sabha. In his or her absence, the house is chaired by the deputy speaker. The speaker maintains discipline and decorum of the house. If the situation demands, the speaker can adjourn the house. All the petitions and documents addressed to the house are received by the speaker. It is the Lok Sabha speaker who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament.
Okay, Ayush. Ayush, what qualification should be needed to be a member of Lok Sabha? Ayush बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. In order to become a member of Lok Sabha, the candidate must have the following qualifications. She or he must be a citizen of India. He or she must have completed the tenure of 25 years of age. Her or his name must be in voters list. She or he must possess such other qualification as may be prescribed under laws made by the parliament. And he or she should not be any government servant.
Okay. तनुष्का आप बोलिए. Why did India opt a federal form of government? तनुष्का, शानवी.
Can I tell?
एक मिनट. ज़ारा रहमान. चलो पुष्कर बोलो पुष्कर.
In a vast country like India with diverse languages, religious customs, traditions, it becomes difficult to have a single unified administrative setup. Therefore, India opted for a federal form of government.
Okay. Anshika, describe the composition of union government in India. Anshika? अंशिका का माइक कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई और बोलो।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the union government has three organs: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. Legislature. The union legislature is the parliament or Sansad. It is bicameral and consists of two houses named Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Second, the executive. The union executive comprises of the President of India and the Union Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. The judiciary. It is the third organ of the union government. The highest apex court of India is the Supreme Court of India, which has maximum 31 judges, headed by the Chief Justice of India.
ओके, शानवी बोलोगी सेम क्वेश्चन। शानवी, शानवी, वृष्टि, आप लोग बोलेंगे? वृष्टि, शानवी, अंशिका का ठीक हुआ माइक? अंशिका, शानवी, वृष्टि, ओके चलो सृजा और अविका बोलो।
The highest level of the government is the union government. It has three organs: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The legislature comprises of, it is bicameral and it comprises of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha is the lower house and Rajya Sabha is the upper house. The executive is the law enforcing body. It comprises of the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, and the Union Council of Ministers. Third organ, the judiciary. It comprises of the Supreme Court of India and the under the Chief Justice of India and maximum number of 31 judges.
ओके, और कोई? अंशिका और शानवी।
The union government comprises of the
हाँ बोलो आनंद, बोलो बोलो आनंद।
The union government comprises of the legislature or parliament, which comprises of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, in which Lok Sabha is lower house and Rajya Sabha is upper house. The executive, it consists of the President of India, the Prime Minister, and the Union Council of Ministers. The judiciary, which enforces the law, it consists of the Supreme Court of India, consisting of the Chief Justice of India and 25 sitting judges. Maximum number.
Describe the procedure followed by the Union Parliament in passing an ordinary bill.
The passing of a bill, the making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either of the two houses. Approval of both the houses is necessary to pass a bill. After the bill is passed by both the houses of the parliament, it is sent to the president for his or her consent. After the consent is provided, the bill becomes a law. In case of disagreement between the two houses, a majority vote is taken in the joint meeting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Any other?
The making of a law is
The making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the ordinary bill in either of the two houses of the parliament. It goes through 3 readings in each house. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. For example, in the first reading, the member introducing the bill takes the permission of the house to introduce the bill and explain the purpose of the bill. In the second reading, a general discussion is held, followed by a detailed discussion step by step. In the third reading, the bill as a whole is put to vote. If passed by a majority, it is sent to the other houses. There, the house adopt the same procedure. When both the houses pass the bill, it is sent to the president for his assent. And in case of disagreement between the two houses, a majority vote is taken in the joint meeting of both the houses.
Okay, Ayush bolo Ayush. Compare the legislative and financial power of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. On the basis of your comparison, which one of the two houses is more powerful and why? Ayush. क्या हुआ? कहाँ चला गया? अच्छा सौम्या बोलो।
Yes, ma'am. Legislative powers. Making of a law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either of the two houses of the parliament. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. In case of disagreement between the two houses, a majority vote is taken in the joint meeting of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Financial powers. Regarding money matters, Lok Sabha is much more powerful than Rajya Sabha. The money bills can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. If Rajya Sabha make any recommendation regarding a money bill, Lok Sabha may or may not accept it. In my opinion, Lok Sabha is much more powerful than Rajya Sabha in both legislative and financial powers, because in legislative powers, Lok Sabha has much more power as it makes laws on more subjects than Rajya Sabha, and Lok Sabha and money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha, so it is much more powerful in the financial aspect also.
और कोई बोलेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो
The
चित्रा।
comparison of legislative power. Money bills originates only in Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha can delay the money bill for 14 days but cannot reject the passage of a money bill. Comparison of a financial power. The annual budget is presented in the Lok Sabha. The annual budget can be discussed in Rajya Sabha, but it is represented only in Lok Sabha. From comparison, Lok Sabha is more powerful.
ओके। कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ यूनियन गवर्नमेंट इन इंडिया हो गया है? अच्छा, highlight any 3 dissimilarities between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha with respect to their composition.
The maximum number of Lok Sabha members is 552, whereas the maximum number in the Rajya Sabha is 250. 12 members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President, whereas 2 Anglo-Indians are elected by the President of India to the Lok Sabha.
और कोई बोलोगे?
The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250. Out of these, 12 members are nominated by the President of India, and the remaining 238 are elected from the states and union territories by the elected members of the legislative assemblies. The 12 nominated members are distinguished personalities who excel in various fields of art, literature, science, social service, sports, etc. Members of the Rajya Sabha should be citizens of India and not less than 30 years on age. Her name must be in the voter list. The Rajya Sabha is a permanent house which can never be dissolved after every 2 years. 1/3 of its members retire, and elections are held to fill these seats. Each member of the Rajya Sabha completes a term of 6 years. The Vice President of India is the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. The Vice President presides over the meetings of Rajya Sabha, conducts its proceedings, and maintains the discipline and decorum of the House. In his absence, the Deputy